Hello, first grade. How are you? My friends, today we have a very nice activity to do. Okay? You're going to open your book on page 50 and you have to use your imagination and create a sculpture that we can do with food. Okay? If you have a chance, you can do the real sculpture with food in your house. Otherwise, just plan, okay? You can use toothpick, grapes, vegetables, fruits, okay? Use your imagination. Look at here. Look at this sculpture made with cauliflower and probably, I don't know what is that, maybe a blackberry or some olive, okay? Look at this other sculpture. I think it's a goose. See, all made with vegetables. So you can search online, use your imagination, and create your sculpture. I'm gonna ask to see next class. Okie dokie. Okay, my friends, have fun.